If you are blessed enough to have a vehicle right now, then you should never be broke. When my bank account was in the negatives, I was a broke college student that had nothing but my vehicle. This is exactly what caused me to start this channel. It started something like this. Whew, it's cold outside. Let's get strapped in, let's make some money. I had the best time making money on my own terms. So this is exactly what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be giving you multiple options that you can make some money quickly. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. Not only that, but we like to thrive and not just survive over here. I've already told you enough about me. Let's talk about these websites and apps that I'm going to be showing you so that you can start making some quick cash with your vehicle. And this isn't just an ordinary video, okay? I'm going to be showing you real people who are doing these side hustles right now, telling you about their experiences and how much they're making so you can decide for yourself if it's worth it or not. So let's just get right into it. Our first app is a really interesting one. It's available in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Brazil, and it is called Draver. So Draver is basically an on-demand car delivery services that works with businesses. Now, as a Draver driver, what you're going to be doing is going to different locations of where these vehicles are parked, and you are going to get in the vehicle and then drop it off to a different location.
I'm out here doing this new app called Draver, and as you can see, they got me riding in style today. So we just gonna check it out real quick and let you know how this app works, just for a brief moment. But for the most part, it's a crazy, because look at these cars you get to drive, and you get paid to drive these cars, and they're amazing. Really, really nice. I really gonna enjoy this ride. I got all the way to Cumming, so look at them wheels. Nice. It's gonna be a really nice ride.
Now, my assumption is that most of these jobs are going to be from dealerships or car rental companies. So you're just simply picking up the vehicle to either drop it back off at a dealership or to drop it off at a customer, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to need is a valid driver's license. There will be a background check. You are going to have a clean driving record, and you have to be able to work in the region of where you signed up at. So there will be regular vehicles, but there will also be commercial vehicles that you would have to drive. But if you do not have a CDL, then you cannot drive the commercial vehicles, which are going to be obviously higher paying, but you can drive regular cars. And the pay for this is somewhere between $25 to $55 per hour. Our second website is Amazon Flex. Now, there's a lot of people that are not aware that you can actually drive for Amazon independently and get paid from $18 to $25 per hour. So you're going to go over to an Amazon warehouse with your own vehicle, and you're going to pick up packages, and you can independently deliver these packages on behalf of Amazon.
Come and work a 1 hour, $100 shift on Amazon Flex with me. I only got 12 packages today, and I'm ready to go. Their front yard is so cute.
Another apartment, but thankfully this one is on the ground floor.
It has been exactly 50 minutes, and that is my last package.
$100 for less than an hour. I will take that.
For websites 4, 5, and 6, we're going to be reviewing medical courier services, where you are basically transporting and delivering medical supplies either to doctors' offices or even to the front doors of individuals. So the first one we have is called CB Drivers. Hold on just a moment. If you can hear me, what I need you to do is to go into the comment section right now and leave me your most recent emoji. This is something fun that we do here so that I can interact with as many of you as possible. Now, also, I gotta tell y'all this. YouTube is telling me that over 80% of y'all are not subscribed to this channel. We need to fix this right away. If you're somebody that likes to earn money and you want to stay up to date on the newest ways to make money online, then you need to tap that subscribe button. Okay, let's get back into the video. Where they have listed different jobs in multiple different cities, so you could look up your city and see how many opportunities are actually available that is near you. We're going to click on search for driver contract jobs. Then it will give you the details about what kind of vehicle is needed for this specific company. So this one company I'm looking at is hiring for about $1,600 weekly. And they also say they're looking for someone 21 and over, and you must undergo a background, motor vehicle report, and a drug test. Reliable couriers that you can sign up for. And the application is pretty simple. You're just going to fill out your basic information, like what type of vehicle do you drive, the make and model of your car, if you have a valid driver's license, and if you can pass a background check. Another big company is called Lab Logistics, and they also have an application that you can fill out there. Now on to our next website that we're going to review, and this one should be widely available to many of you. One you could get started with right away is called Spark Drivers app. So this is an app powered by Walmart, and it is their own delivery services. So you're going to be delivering products from Walmart. Now, sometimes you will have to do the shopping, and other times there are associates that have already done all the shopping for you. Now, here's a woman talking about her experience and how much she's made.
Day in the life of a single mom of 2 doing grocery shopping, gig work, full-time for a living, y'all. I have a lot of bills that I need to pay and catch up on. Got this order right here. Boom, y'all. Oh my gosh. I almost fell to the floor and rolled around and cried. Okay, y'all. This is an amazing start to the day. We're finally back on Spark because we were off for a couple days. So yes, let's see how much we can make. I'll take you guys with me.
Back seat, front seat. 8:30 and we are back from those deliveries. The 2 double delivery for the same place. They helped me with the order so I could not record. The second place, the lady was outside, couldn't record there.
36, 8.5 miles, 50 items, 82 units order, no tip, which is fine because I'll get the money right away, so I don't really care. Call you back, come watch me shop this order.
We are already at $98 plus 36. Somebody tell me how much that is. $134.
To get started, you need to be at least 18 years or older and authorized to work in the United States. You must provide valid auto insurance as well as a valid driver's license, and you will have to pass a background check. So those are the requirements to drive with Spark Drive. Next, we have an app called Zifty.com, and I'm going to show you where these positions are open. But you are doing catering delivery, and you could get paid up to $28 per delivery, and you can get paid up to $28 per delivery. Here's a quick video of someone talking about their experience and how much they got paid.
Zifty. Zifty is one of my favorite apps. Yo, I did a delivery on Zifty. I'm going to show y'all the receipt. Let's go. All right, so this is the offer right here that I got from Zifty. And as you can see at the top, the pickup time was 5:33 p.m. and the drop-off time was 6:14 p.m. I actually knocked it out in less than 40 minutes, like I said, and got paid $57 for less than 40 minutes, y'all. You can't beat that. And the trip was only 10 miles. Y'all see that 10 miles trip. Now, let me tell you, Zifty, I keep telling y'all, this is a great company. The reason why I added Zifty in there is because Zifty is a catering app, and the catering apps, they're on fire right now during this festive season, which is the holiday season. This is where a lot of private parties are going on, private events, office parties, Christmas parties, all that good stuff. And people are ordering through these catering apps. So those catering apps are hitting right now.
Please take a minute to check the screen. These are all the cities and areas that Zifty.com are delivering to. These deliveries are scheduled in advance, so you will know days before or the day before that you will be doing this delivery. Now, you must own or purchase a large insulated delivery bag. You do have a dress code that is going to be more formal. You must have daytime availability, have a reliable vehicle with valid insurance, be 21 years or older, and have a good driving record. If you're interested in that, this website again is called Zifty.com. Now, if you're looking for a way to make money without having to get in your car, without even having to step out the house, then I have the perfect thing for you. I have a list of 70 legit money-making websites that are always hiring, always available, so that you can thrive and not just survive. Now, that link is going to be in my description and the pinned comment, but if that's not something that you need, check out these 2 videos because they're going to give you some more money-making tips.